up, y'all? Your boy Domino 7 is chilling. It's raining out here in New Iberia. I wonder what y'all folks gonna see while I'm filming the rain, while it's raining out here. Wow, there's some bad weather out here. Yes, indeed. Yep. I could care less about this, you know. I think it was last year it rained on my birthday. Y'all see the clouds up there? I can see rain dripping from there. Everything's good to look at rain nowadays, you know. Can y'all hear me talk? I hope y'all can hear me talk. Alright. Let's walk this way while it's waning. Wow, what a day. Well, it was summer rain, now it's gonna be fall rain, you see? I love rainy days when it's summertime, but I hate rainy days when it's winter time, you see? Can't wait to go on my trip to New Orleans for Thanksgiving. That'll be my last trip until I move back down there, I guess. Or up there, or down there, or whatever. Alright, y'all. About to go inside, you heard me? Or I'm gonna film another one while it's raining.